what is important for us to understand is that once we convince ourselves intellectually or at the level of our mind for something, then it becomes easy to do that. So for example, if you know that a certain job will help you earn money, or a certain job will help you fulfill a certain aspiration of yours, then you have prepared your mind to understand that that job is something which will be very beneficial for you. So once this idea has been implanted in your mind, it won't be difficult to transform it into practice. You will then turn all your attention, all your energy into trying to acquire that job, trying to develop the skills, trying to develop all the techniques and methods that will help you to deserve that job, to become competent for that job. So we have to understand that our mind is very powerful. Everything begins in the mind. There is a famous dictum of UNESCO according to which peace begins in the mind and violence also begins in the mind. Whatever we see around us is a product of people's thinking, people's thought and their mindset. So once we are able to train ourselves to develop a certain kind of mindset, a certain kind of psychology, it won't be difficult to actually bring it into practice, implement it. But we have to understand that positivity requires strong justification. Having a positive attitude in life requires a great rational explanation, strong reasons to remain positive. Because negativity is something which comes to you suddenly and very naturally, instinctively. Somebody says something wrong to you or does something which is against you, you will immediately give a negative reaction. But to give a positive reaction, you need some strong justification in your mind. So that in that situation, when somebody provokes you or does something wrong, you can control yourself. You can resist yourself from doing something equally bad. So we have to basically train our mind to have that positive justification, to have that understanding, that reasoning which makes us positive, understand the benefits of positivity. And once our mind is trained in that fashion, once that idea is registered in our mind strongly, we'll be able to also translate it into action.